Barbican are one step closer to returning to the National Premier League, while Constant Spring enter the Super League in winning form after two finals at the Constant Spring field on Friday night.
Barbican had to use the dreaded penalty shootout to get the better of Brownstown after nothing could separate either team in regulation and extra time. It was Barbican's goalkeeper Nicholas Campbell who was actually the star of the show, saving two kicks to set up Kemar Thomas for the winner.
Is this the moment for Barbican? Yes! Kemar Thomas converts from the spot, and Barbican are Magnum Casafa Super League champions.
Well, first of all, we're elated with the victory. The guys did well. Brownstown, we have to give them a hand. I mean, we knew Brownstown they were going to come out and give us a good game, which they did. I thought we dominated the game right through, but leave it to our guys to make it interesting. But we pulled it out, and that's what matters.
Campbell was named MVP for his performance between the sticks. With the win, Barbican now joins South Central winners Dumble Holden, Eastern Confed champions Mount Pleasant, and Wadada of the Western Confed in the RSPL playoffs set to start on June 3. And their coach, Jeremy Miller, says he will now go on the hunt for players to bolster his squad for the Premier League playoffs.
We just have to clean up everywhere. I mean, playoffs is no joke. The teams, we've scouted some teams and we know we have some good teams coming up against, but once again, we have complete confidence in our guys and just go back to the training ground, put in the work, and ready for the playoffs.
And CASAFA President Wayne Shaw is confident Barbican can make it all the way back to the Premiership.
The CASAFA teams, we have 6 teams, 7 in this year's Premier League. Barbican will now go into the playoff, and I think they will qualify for the upcoming Premier League season. And they'll be a good representative for football in Kingston and St. Andrew.
And the $200,000 prize money after a 2-0 extra time win over Med Forest. 90 minutes brought no goals, and just when it looked like extra time would be the same, Roderick Williams found Constant Spring's opener in the 102nd minute, and Rowan Parker found a second in the 119th to put the icing on the cake for Constant Spring.
Here's Parker, he takes a shot, and it is game, set and match for Constant Spring. They're champions of the CASAFA Major League. Constant Spring 2, Med Forest 0.
Constant Spring coach Wayne Palmer says youth made the difference for his team.
It was a magnificent performance. From the season, honestly, this game, I don't know where the players them get this energy from. Because we played this is the third game we're playing and we're going into extra time. But I don't know where these players get this energy. What I tell you, I lift my hats off to my players them. And the Constant Spring team, it's a young team. The oldest players on the team is probably maybe about 31. You have 16-year-old, 19-year-old player.
Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.